Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. How to make a designing video editing on Pixel Lab. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open the Pixel Lab, select the shape, change the color, duplicate the shape, select the texture, go to the gallery, select a color, then select a color, the color, to back the color, select the stroke, adjust the color weight, select the 3D shape, change the color, boss button, light angle. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.